This is why using a regular straw is not going to work.
When you drink through the Hikaway, we calculated the length and the diameter and the valve here to reach out when you drink water through it to reach a certain pressure. And this keeps the diaphragm for, like, let's say 5 to 10 seconds, pull it down and keep it there. So for 5 to 10 seconds, these two, the diaphragm and the valve, are closed. The brain resets this cycle, so the spasm stops and it goes away.
Why can't I get a straw
Right.
and close it down so that it's taking me a lot more pressure?
Right.
And I don't need this thing.
Very good question. The thing is that to control that diaphragm, you need to reach to a certain pressure.
So I
But you
can't
feel
emulate this with a straw. I've got to get this.
Right.
The doctor in that episode from Shark Tank that made the hiccup straw spent years researching solutions for hiccups, and this was the only thing that actually works. If you want to check one of these out for yourself, I'm going to put the link at the bottom of this video right here.